Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee warns no Naga autonomous body can be formed in Manipur, surpassing the state government. Chief Minister Biren says 60,339 applications were received on launching day of the ambitious Go to Village mission. Mayor of IMC says Aadhaar link for vendor license will be initiated to easily identify legitimate and illegitimate vendors at Khairamban market. And Maklang River overflows, bringing 12 to farmers of Konthausam and Nambol constituencies in Bishnupur district, a constant source of plights every monsoon. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Kangzam Shalira with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee has warned that no Naga autonomous body can be formed in Manipur, surpassing the state government. The MPCC also warned of intense hesitation along with the people if anything against the interest of the people of the state is carried out. Speaking to media person at a press meet held at Congress Bhavan today regarding the formation of Naga autonomous body upon reaching a conclusion to Naga Peace Accord, which appeared on the Indian Express recently, spokesperson of the MPCC, R.K. Anand maintained that the violent June 18 incident occurred in the state just after ceasefire of the nation IM was imposed in Manipur, even before there was any question of formation of a Naga autonomous body. He termed it unfortunate that the Naga Accord contains agenda against the interests of the stakeholders and people of the state. Anand asserted that the statement made by the interlocutor Aryan Ravi on the Indian Express is an open challenge and threat to the people of Manipur. He stated that MPCC strongly condemned the statement of Aryan Ravi regarding formation of Naga autonomous body and others, which may create division among communities. The spokesperson demanded Aryan Ravi to clarify whether his statements were made with the consent of the Prime Minister. Anand further demanded the Prime Minister to provide the people of Manipur with an answer if the statements were made with his consent. He also termed it unfortunate that the centre is playing with the sentiments of the people of Manipur who are already facing several other issues.
Ngasi ekoina kulai paidaba Manipuri singna legitimate political, social, economic demand to umatamda kari pirage ba government of India na. Ngasi do we have a protection, constitutional protection kari pirage ba? Nagaland gina ngarang nan state ngarang same yep kui gidi. Ay boy bo keno tau chabi wati Manipur had existed, continue to exist today. 3380 day kui nation state wing lai ba. Where was Nagaland? Where was this akui isinaw hariba myam nation state kai lege ba? It didn't exist. But then, because of Naga hostile movement, no political interest, social interest, economic interest, cultural interest, we sacrifice. We deserve more than Nagaland. Jammu Kashmir status demand we have a matik Sabadum state, Manipur state. Gunda Toba, Nasi terrorized about the Kulai Paiva Mayam saying, do you voice no voice in Lotardi, Kulai Paidaba. Millions miyama lady by the state and homes lady ba democratic value the thousands about see the movement of Manipur Miam, Arunachal Pradesh Miam, Sami Miam Sekarubi Taro, Wafam Sin question to receive. Nasi Kulai Paidi Habi sit up target. The government of India is listening to only the arms tactics. See thing none of it movements me lak Kuzing or see movement and they have walk from the knee. Nasi
During the press meeting, MPCC senior spokesperson Dr. N.G. Bizoy further welcomed the long-standing Indo-Naga peace talk coming to an end. However, if the Indo-Naga Peace Accord affects the state territorial integrity, then the Congress party will not remain silent. He said any autonomous body within the boundary of Manipur be under the norms of the state government. He reviewed the article carried on the national dailies Indian Express and said that the article which stated that an autonomous body be enacted as a statutory law has provoked the peaceful environment of the state.
Aikoi Nagasing the Pibining Bamong the Pibiba, Adi Makoida, Yamna autonomous weba administration through the government of Manipur. Maram the Manipur state ki manung da lebanina makoida specific oiba development gi adagi cultural gi kari kari pibiu kaisu kaide aduna tana aikoi ga mari sunglei lehendana Manipur sarkar ge mari ilei lehendana autonomous oibedana tana platform jingji statutory oina separate law enactor ga chalai ge dori basidi aikoi gi akiba amna chauna akiba leijabaduni.
Chief Minister Nongthammam Biren has stated that the state government's Go to Village mission launched on May 1 has received a total of 60,339 applications from people of 60 villages in 60 constituencies. He said out of the total application, grievances of 21,353 applicants were addressed on the first day itself. The Chief Minister also stated that over 40,000 school dropouts in these villages were identified on the same day of launching the mission. Chief Minister Biren was speaking as the chief guest at a Go to Village camp held at Mongjum Community Hall in Imphal East District today. The district administration organized the camp for Mongjum, Maiva Village, Kwerengay Meitei and Karong villages of Nilakuti Gram Panchayat in Hengang constituency. Officials of 25 departments opened their stalls and gave awareness on various benefits provided by the department on the occasion. The Chief Minister distributed benefits under different social security schemes to selected beneficiaries at the camp. Biren asserted that the government is for the people and it is the aim of the government to provide the benefits of the schemes to the people, stating that people would no more face the inconvenience of visiting different government offices for enrollment of different schemes. The Chief Minister said that officials of different government departments will deliver benefits of various schemes under the Go to Village mission at the doorsteps of various localities across the state. He maintained that the Go to Village mission is not just a one-day mission, but it will reach out to all villages of 60 constituencies in the state. Biren also appealed to the people to avail the benefits of the mission. Additional Chief Secretary Dr. Suhail Aptar, Nodal Officer of the Imphal East Go to Village Mission, M.H. Khan, Deputy Commissioner Imphal East, and top officials of various departments attended the event.
Ngasina loigada mate nahana koi masi adom matang chathagani sahi manga sangbay ai mari sangbay tara sangbay khungdangi leiba praja sing nungai na thamba government na laiba ngasi Go to Village aba mission sigi da laiba masigi benefit mayam se naharol sing na guide tawrakanda naharol sing khun gi naharol sing thokanda officer mayam siga contact tawrakanda noina tawningba farm bu tawningo maru marang bu longningo fishery bu tawningo karibu any kind of schemes bank loan bu loge harasu loina ai gi thonga da laga leirabani haibse masigi khudong sa bu lobi wena.
The ambitious Khungang Chatse Go to Village mission camp was also held for Kairao Gram Panchayat at Nongpok Leishang in Kairao Langdum of Imphal East District today. Officials of 25 different departments participated at the camp held under the supervision of Sub-Divisional Officer Kairao Bitra Kumantem Daina. Speaking to media person, Kumantem Daina said that the Go to Village mission camp was held at Kairao Gram Panchayat under the instruction of the DC Imphal East. She said the camp will aware the people on various welfare schemes provided by the departments and urged the people to participate and avail its benefits. She also said that the mission will continue at other areas of Kairao Bitra. SDO Kairao Bitra, CD Block 2, Lanjoy Thodam and Pradhan Kairao Gram Panchayat, K. Chorzit also attended the camp.
Go to Village mission gi maroiba pandam di akhoina line department sing na adigi government na paikhalaiba yojana scheme sing mayam ase praja sing da moi gi masagi hakni haina khanghanba phangpham thokpa benefit sing ado door to door delivery phanghanba haibado duna kungang chatsi haba sigi maroiba pandam ne department khara amadi schemes sing asigi awareness pi department khudingi scheme amagi matang da awareness pizaba natraga kaigumba pot ama piba yaba oiragadi phangpham thokpa documents to Suna Pubirak Poiragadi Adum, housing Anum KMC Gimanung Sidangasi Adum, Kudak Adum, Panghanaba, Honaze Department Singsana.
District Administration in Imphal West also held a Go to Village mission camp at Sanagaitel Community Hall in Blamfell today. All government departments opened their respective stalls and availed welfare schemes and benefits to around 200 people. The Go to Health mission camp was also held at Hairok, Wangkem and Wangjing Tenta constituencies in Thobal district today. MLA Hairok constituency and Education Minister T.H. Radisham attended the camp held at Leirongtel. MLA Wangjing Tentha constituency, P. Browson attended a camp held for the constituency at Sapam, Mipungsang. The camp for Wang Kem constituency was held at Charangpak Mayay Lekai, benefits under PMAY, Uzwala, CMHT, Sobagya, as well as food security cards and Weaver cards were distributed to the beneficiaries on the occasion. Medical facilities were provided and prizes were also distributed to winners of painting competition for students conducted at the camps. Technopole District Administration also organized a Go-To Village camp for Sibong Kudengtabi Village under Mori Subdivision today. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Deputy Commissioner Mori and Bumpkin stated that the mission is an initiative of the state government to identify and address the grievances facing the people of both the hills and the village. He appealed to the people to support the government officials and avail the benefits of various schemes. Chief Minister Gihakchil Gitem Bangkat and checks for old age pension under the Social Welfare Department were distributed to the beneficiaries. Haukip Gas Agency More also distributed LPG gas cylinders and gas stoves to the beneficiaries under Uzwala scheme. SDPO More Marhule Sandeep Gopal Das also attended the camp. The Go-To Village Mission Camp was also held at 8 different blocks in Chorchampu District. Chorchampu District Administration organized the camp at Gochingkup Bang, Sisipur Block, Kengzang, Tuibong Block, Samulanglam Block, Jalengphai, Singat Block, Chongkhongzhou, Henglam Block, Gothong, Kanwai Block, Songpe, Sangai Kok Block, and Tulizang, Tuivai. District Administration Bisnupur also held the camp at Eating, Daranshena, Kakyai Bisnupur. The camp also held at areas under Nambol subdivision. Various departmental stores were opened and people were availed benefits at the camps. Mayor IMC Laishang Bumt Lokeshwar has assured that hawkers license for those fruit vendors who were occupying the pedestrian footpath adjacent to Barodan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School in Thangal Bazar will not be renewed. He said their vendor license already expired on March 31. He said that the government has served the vendors at a month's time to evacuate. The mayor of IMC further mentioned that IMC will initiate Aadhaar link for the Khairamban market vendors to easily identify legitimate and illegitimate vendors in the market area. He also clarified that the allegation charged against him of siphoning large amount of money of the corporation by the 18th Congress and BJP cooperators of the IMC is baseless and unfounded. Speaking to media person at his IMC office today, Mayor Lokeshwar further clarified on the charges leveled on him and said the Tourism Department sanctioned 4,85,000 rupees for Clean and Green Manipur project ahead of the last Sangai festival. He said 11,52,000 rupees were paid off to the 320 laborers engaged for the Sangai festival, while 11,20,000 rupees were expended for the procurement of tools and machineries. He also said 2,50,000 rupees were utilized for refueling of the vehicles, 1 lakh rupees each were utilized for ground trenching or dump site maintenance and other contingent charges. He also mentioned that money were also spent on for hiring bulldozer at Lamdeng Solid Waste Management Plan.
Aadhaar link to we can have see me a man at a motion bayadre. Me and they have Hamala Magumba. Aadhaar link to Rogadi, my Magi, license to the Sanabanata no pilot. Municipal Commissioner, Mayor Gamanaga, Lupa Karor Kai Hirisi, Masiam Libak Tiva Hibatare. Aigi Matam the Gizuba would have Raisi, Lamding is here at Tabadagi. Temporary dump site arranged to given it. Tolo Piva Kopagizima, Master Rolgi, staff singi Sima Pashadum Sali, Praman Laitava, Prasarasi, Matungadi, Yamna Lemna, Ranch the Tominasi in hygienic. Parkingi, Matam Hele, Hariba, Masimati, Asumba Lay, Tobudabu, Ahoy tender process sorry. Matam Heliba Kangusi Moida, Sokos notice, Piraga, penalty in a recovery to Bagi, Ahoy.
Incessant rains in the past couple of days have brought immense sufferings to inhabitants, especially to cultivators and fish farmers of Kontozam and Nambol constituencies in Bisnupur district. Inconveniences due to floods brought on by the overflowing of Nambol River popularly known as Maklang River, a major river for the two constituencies during monsoon every year, have been a constant major concerns for people residing near the river bank. With the onset of monsoon this year, such problems are being faced due to the overflow of Nambol River at Irong Bridge of Nambol Kajiri Mamang Laikai and Hauro Local Canal, which was inundated over 125 hectares of paddy fields in the area. With the Meteorological Department predicting more rains in the upcoming days, the situation of the two constituencies is bound to get worse. Inhabitants have expressed apprehension to Impact News team at the lack of aids and assistance from the department concerned or even the local MLA who merely inspected the flood-affected areas. Locals of the Kwanthausam constituency also stated that instead of holding classes for the school, many schools in the area are utilized as shelters for domestic animals during the flood every year. They further drew the attention of the government and relevant authorities to look into the plights at the earliest.
Department side any bora amta home from the Masagi Laga sports Kumbirataba. Loina, I go PWD side tagi, honorable Melina, Pota Pibi, the Nozi of Virame, Adubu. See, Carino, see, Togado, say, Prasam, I don't think Awabam, plucky problems, Awabam, drivers, and see, Quilika, singing the house and club singing. Any Sansan could even from today, the Koi volunteer, my am told and Koi, Kingdom Honors of Nedu, which you the Singambagi, cannot see Opachi later, Laydra, Haineko Kanjava.
The Nongi Taba of the night in Nongi, Yam Tarketo Lady Maruna, Koi Jum the Loin Tumden, standing at any later, no problem, or a cadore among the two. Problem my am Tanaka, standing at any later, Baggy, Yum, the late Pang the Baggy, our Kodong Chivaching the do, the rhythm of the Roman side the year for Jagna, Tanging and Hunting.
Handaki sing is out in a condo junkie and Reggie Makeda. Korean thing when you hide in a labak, my ammo cocat pyramid. Cocat pyramid like Asina, Hanagi Koilas Lambijo Kogai Bire. Sigi Mataka like Nang, my amma Tom the Lagation is out to the Paraga. Angang like them Zapas, Queen Zapa Coppers, and I'm not danger more than a young Kudum Chadre, Sikara Mamatanda, Lapigada.
Tasena Isagi Amata, which the late money the late Jumsing and the game among the late Jumsing, Loina, people young Sona, so couldn't see Mangon the South Tone or Vita.
I government here to no, when the Hona Bigatra and the Kali, Adubumati, Matam, the Timal Lakadua.
I know Zilla General say, Konhozum Kendriki, you don't hire back, was it number Rivergi Kaidan name of Hondani, Homosidista, Young Ganatana, Young Kanatana, Haro hire, but low for the Sama Hena label, Homodusu, Kaidan up, the Honka Amishing Zunali, I said that Mamang says you Konhozum Kendra, sing to me, Duga. Hanak says you come see, sing the Tumdano, the Awabang, no, you had it like Kodamari, Konhozum Kendra, sing Jogi or Badu. From the Tabagi Mamang say, Tenagi Badum, Kumsi says, Tenagabagi Mayuna Badu, Ure, Matamasi, Lurabat and Pamasida, Marine Department, taking a civil with the Konhozum Canada, Prazas in the Teneriba, Mating Pang, they have a safe pre Prazas in the Pundore. Labor Department now, Mating Labor Konhozum Canada, Mating Pang, Magi, Matamudu, you have a sea, Mediagi Tong, the Podumzariba, Narisol, Black News.
The cease work strike initiated by the Joint Administrative Council of AMTUC and MGO, demanding implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission, completed 48 days today. Government Press Union Employment Union also stages a sit-in displaying various placards in support of the movement at the complex of the Department of Print and Stationery in Moirangkom today. Staff of the Directorate stated that they staged the sit-in as democratic protest to get their rights.
JSN Changjaliba Kongjangasi date 22 March Tegi Chanjalakpani, Nasigatana, Portia de Sura, to government side Tegi, Nasibokta, Karigum Excelamta, Upangde, Aduna, Government Press, Employee Unina, JSC support over and Nasi, Acquisition Portis is 7. JSN Pangtor Patavoktor, Kunamak, the Government Press, Employee Unina, but Punamakta, support of Zagani, Aduna, Katava, Exxon Kamulegas, Government Press, support of Zagani.
Manipur Police, led by SP Imphal West and school management staff of Bairodan Maxwell Hindi Primary and High School, Tangal Bazar, reached to an understanding and further amicably resolved to support each other in times of need. It may be mentioned that the police arrested the headmistress of the school in the chaos that followed the demolition of fruit stalls along the footpath adjacent to the school wall by volunteers of JCILPS. The understanding between the parties reached at a meeting attended by the school staff, members of All Manipur Elementary School Teacher Association, Thangmaiband United Club and police team led by SP Imphal West in the school premises today.
Police ki mai kai da gisu soi ki balan ki ba yaurba loinana school si ki mai kai da gisu soi ki balan ki ba ani ado misunderstanding adong asidi compromise tong re haidana media ai thong la tok chari masigi overall di thamai ban United Club secretary joint secretary president sing buling birakna masigi media todana masigu yana basi porokhe bani ani media ai thong la tok chari
thamai United Club ki manung da leibani na school je leibani na sigum je thoning da badagi akoi ne SP kari kra unara kanda oza ki mai kai da su unara kanda nakal ani je famina raga mogoi ju as a duty to bada khenjan ma kot pa yaw badu sabsana lan unabadagi thoki ba thodu ne haina nakal ani famina ro matungda masi sa thamina kanda matungda mateng pangna ba police na su school ki mateng pangba school na su police ta paw pi ra khola kanda yamna good kainom khak sem ga sia ga pot da akoi yamina bani thamina club na mayai sida lepaga sinjabani.
Family members of the victim of the 2013 case Somrai village rape case has appealed to the authorities concerned to expedite the case and deliver justice by giving befitting punishment to the perpetrators at the earliest. Speaking to media person at Manipur Press Club, family members of the victim stated that a case regarding the incident has been ongoing since 2013 at Thobal Court. They criticized the inefficiency of the court and expressed apprehension at the 5-year delay in sentencing the accused, who had even personally apologized for his misconduct. It may be mentioned that on June 17 of 2013, one Mohammed Sanayai from Yedipok Mayai Kaitil raped a 68-year-old woman at Anti-Lok of K. Somrai village.
Mi ama angam baying na krisera hai bay wakansi asipausu ekoi wakanda paurai lale hai ba mi du budi direct na mangon da phampam thopa punishment du athuba madam da PBO hai basi aina haizening bani ai victim gi macha ama oina aingon da iman phauri ba nari ba wari ba du aingon du su phawi.
It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on All Manipur Muslim Mighty Pangal Welfare Association AMPWA honoring retired IAS Abdul Halim Chowdhury, who was the first Manipuri Deputy Commissioner of Manipur Central District with Lifetime Achievement Award today. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. All Manipur Muslim Mighty Pangan Welfare Association AMPWA Imphal presented Lifetime Achievement Award to retired IAS Abdul Halim Chowdhury, popularly known as DC Halim, who was the first Manipuri Deputy Commissioner of Manipur Central District before Manipur was separated into different districts. Abdul Halim Chowdhury was honored with the award at an event held at his residence in Babupara today. Representatives of AMPWA and other civil society organizations attended the event. DC Halim cleared his metric examination from Kolkata University in 1947 and passed his graduation from DM College, then under Guwahati University in 1952. Later, Halim cracked the UPSC examination in 1995 and served as the SDC of Imphal West District. He was then promoted to MCS post in 1961 and served as Under-Secretary at various departments and became the first Manipuri Deputy Commissioner of Central District in 1974. He also served as Secretary of Education, Social Welfare and FCS Department in 1981. Halim was promoted as Commissioner in 1983 and got his retirement in 1986. Abdul Halim Chowdhury, during his service tenure, also contributed in the field of sports and helped in uplifting the downtrodden to bring about equality in the society. Speaking on the occasion, retired IAS Abdul Halim Chowdhury said that there can be no development without education and appealed to the students, especially Mighty Pangan students, to concentrate in their studies.
Muslim lifetime education education particularly
Chairperson of Manipur Building and Other Construction Workers Board, as Precious, has announced that all pending benefits of the Labour Department since 2013 will be distributed to the beneficiaries by September this year without fail. Speaking to media person at his office chamber in DC Lamphel, Peswarzi said that so far beneficiaries were provided medical benefits, financial assistance for education and death benefits from 2013 to 2016. He assured that approximately 10 crore rupees will be sanctioned to 7,000 beneficiaries with an aim to cover all the pending medical benefits, financial assistance for education and death benefits for the year 2017 within the coming 2 weeks. He further mentioned that smart cards were issued to facilitate the beneficiaries from this year onwards.
We benefit Hanagi pending she, Hoji Pitok the Nasulai, Hoji 13 Pitopa Loigra, Pra complete Loigra, 2014-15 Pitokra, 15-16 Pitoi, Adoji Makatana, within this 2 weeks, another 7 to 8,000 Pitorani, around 10 crore Muki amount games to be released of Torani, plus by September Hong the 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17 pending Amatale Horal Halaroy Hana Shimasu Tamjaki.
A combined team of the Imphal Municipal Corporation and Imphal West Police team led by additional SP, Law and Order Imphal West L. Priyadarshini conducted drive at Ngari Gali in Thangal Bazaar and rear part of the market to identify shops which have not registered and without license. The team shut down the shops with no proper documents during the drive. The drive was also conducted at Pona Bazaar to find out shops violating the rules and regulation of IMC. It may be mentioned that IMC shut down over 300 shops at Tampa Market and Hizam Laino shopping complex in Thangal Bazaar during a similar drive yesterday.
Kano se gali se nappaga lairamba dukan myam su thengne haijariba sigi dukan sing se officials na takpirak padasu registration natragana licenses ki kano tawbadasu criteria se kashu meet togdo mande haiba wafam su thambire sina amuk akhoigi IMC officials sing na dum munna yengbiraga haiba tare ko aduga karamba dukan myam sidana akhoigi sigi registration tawba yariba criteria ka myam se karai phaba meet tawriba haibna chingba myam do tawbiraga adugi kano streamlining process ama phajana chathanaba haina akhoigi tawjabane si drive se.
One-day mobilization campaign for farmers on sustainable agri-business development was held at Umatil Mayai Lekai Mandopt in Kakching district today. Iramdam United Food Producer Company Limited, IUFP, along with Haira Food Industry, Uma Health, organized a mobilization campaign under the aegis of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium exclusively for the welfare of the farmers. Over 100 farmers, including men and women, attended the program. Project coordinator of Manipur Small Farmers Agri-Business Consortium, MS Khaidam, Managing Director of CREGEN, Sombra Singh, Chairman of IUFP Company Limited, Y. Rajendra, Board of Director, IUFP Company Limited, Y. Hemanta were also present among others. Head Senior Scientist, Krishi Vigyan Kendra, KVK Thobal, Jesmarani Sarangthim, and Home Science Subject Specialist, KVK Thobal, RK Lembisana spoke as resource person on sensitization program on mobilizing bioresources of Manipur for generating income. Communist Party of India Marxist Manipur State Secretariat in a press release strongly condemned the recent rise in the price of petrol and diesel in the country. The party further demanded removal of excise duty levied by the central government, considering the plight of the people at the wake of hike in fuel prices. SIMS Institute of Management and Paramedical Science held a blood donation camp on the theme Kanagumba Awatpa Singi Mating at Blood Bank Jenims today. Altogether, 26 volunteers, including staffs and students of the institute, donated blood at the camp. Founder of the institute, plus Hizam, told media person that the camp was organized as one of the social responsibilities of the institute.
SIMS Institute of Management and Paramedical Science na Satra staff mayam punsilaga igi donation to wasi akhoi kanagum singi award pa mateng aiba team masi da hona jabani haibdi Manipur sida kanagum emergency am e darkar ho tam e je to kimti wale 1% gum je to wale aduna akhoi ngasi school college sing da su ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ ꯏꯟꯕꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯦꯡ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯄꯥꯡꯅꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒ ꯁꯤꯝ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯕ꯭ꯂꯗ ꯗꯣꯅꯦꯁꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
Lifesavers Manipur in a press release informed that the organization, in collaboration with various clubs, organizations, and State Blood Cell, National Health Mission, and Jenims Blood Bank, will organize the 54th Voluntary Blood Donation and Campaign 2018 at Moirang Kampu Senzep Laibung in Imphal East from 9:30 in the morning of May 11. Lifesavers Manipur appealed to all sections of society to attend the event. Joint Secretary of Naga Hindi Vidyapith Manipur in the press release stated that Bhishma Hindi Saman Awardee and Secretary of Naga Hindi Vidyapith Manipur K.M. Ahem Kamait was presented the International Award Matadint Murti Devi Shamrati Puraskar on May 6. Manu Mukh Manav Memorial Trust, Narol, Haryana conferred the award for her contribution in development and propagation of Hindi in Manipur. The award carries a certificate, memento, and a cash prize. Now, the news from the world of sports. Powerlifters from Manipur who represented India at the Asian Powerlifting Championship 2018 held in Udaipur were given a warm welcome at Imphal International Airport upon their arrival today. Konsam Rosida bagged the bronze medal in the 84 kg senior group. Kurizam Sundar won a silver medal in the 93 kg sub-junior group, and Huirem Ibempisa clinched the gold medal in the 84 kg master group. Participants Sanasam Yaisana and Konsam Humeshwari along with the Indian team coach Naurem Sushila were also greeted on the occasion. It may be recalled that the Asian Powerlifting Championship 2018 was held from the 1st to the 6th of May.
Asian Championship ta lawjara ibasi punna medal mari ne tonga akoina powerlifting haiba game da bench press amadi squat deadlift ahom ji gi tongan ba medal amam loina pi do bench press da ai gold phangje aduga squat ka deadlift ka da ai silver amam phangje aduga punna ahom dugi pulap tinjanna badana ai silver phangjabane
gold ani phangjare gold ani asi amana squat ta phangjarakpa gold ni amana deadlift ta phangjarakpa medal ni aduga moina participate certificate ama amu kaino ma pijare thagi ama pire.
Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee warns no Naga autonomous body can be formed in Manipur, surpassing the state government. Chief Minister Biren says 60,339 applications were received on launching day of the ambitious Go to Village mission. Mayor of IMC says Aadhaar link for vendor license will be initiated to easily identify legitimate and illegitimate vendors at Khairamban market. And Maklang River overflows, bringing 12 to farmers of Kantaujam and Nambol constituencies in Bishnupur district, a constant source of lights every monsoon.